Okay, guys. So today we're gonna cover SQL injection, right, on real-time website. Just a moment. I'll share the recording. Don't worry. I'll share the recording. Is my screen visible to you guys?
Hi, it is visible.
Okay. See, first and foremost, that you need to know that. Do you know like what are the types of SQL injection are there? Anyone? Hello. Anyone? Any idea? What are the types of SQL injection is there?
Hello.
Yeah, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Hello. Hi, man. How are you?
I'm perfectly alright.
Yeah. SQL injection. I have no idea.
No idea, no? Okay, no worries.
Yes.
Time-based SQL and blind SQL.
Yeah, there are actually basically there are two types of SQL injection. Actually, there would be eight, but they will come later on. Okay, the
First
first
order
one,
SQL injection and second order SQL injections we have.
no, the first one is get method. Okay, get method SQL injection, and the second goes for URL on forms like login, sign up, registration, etc. You got it? A forms consist the data of the customers, right? So be over there we perform post method, right? This it should be clear. Now there are, apart from this, there are four more method that we usually work on. These are the methodology actually. These are the methodology. We called it like, in this there are class and subdomain like that. So this is the basic, that get method and post method. Basically there are four types of attack that we perform in SQL injection. And what are those? One is union, union union based SQL injection. Second is error based SQL injection. Third is blind boolean SQL injection. Fourth is line time based SQL injection. You got it? So there are four types of SQL injection that we perform, right? Basically. Now, how many types of SQL injection it could be now? Union for get, one for post, one. So there are eight types of SQL injection that we can perform, right? Eight types of SQL injection can be there. Okay. Okay. Now the basic fundamental, guys, I am telling you the you can say a ramban that you will never forget. This is something which I'm going to tell you right now. You will never forget in your entire life. If you forget, I mean, this is just a very basic thing that you should remember all the time when you're going to perform SQLi, SQL injection, right? Why it is not that big here? I'm not that good with paints actually. Okay. I'm not having my mouse actually right now. There should be one more. Okay, guys, see, when we are going to perform how to recognize, first the basic question you guys coming across, that someone gonna ask you, right? Hey, if you are going to perform, why you are performing this attack on this website? Could you tell me that? Why you are performing union on this? Why you are performing error on this? Why you are performing blind on this? Why you are performing blind time based injection on this? Is there any answer you could tell me? Actually, that's a very basic answer that one could ask you, or you can ask, right? Because you should know why you are performing this attack, why not that attack, what's the reason behind it, right? So for that there's an answer, right, which I'm going to tell you. Let me color this. Okay, the first, when on a website there is a, when on a website there is a projection, if the website is projecting, do you know what does that projection means? If not, I'm gonna tell you when I'm going to perform the live task. If the website or URL projecting, right, you can perform union based attack on that website. If there is error on the website, still you can perform union on that website. If both is there, still you can perform union on that website. But it is suggestion that if the projection is not there and error is there, then you should go for error. Suppose on a website projection is not there, but error is there, you're gonna perform error based boolean, error based SQL injection attack on that website. What if on a website there is no projection? I mean that website is not remain responding if you are like a changing in parameters. There is no projection points on that, and neither it is showing any error. What you gonna do? But the website is getting blank. Getting blank or showing nothing, right? At that point of time, you can perform blind boolean attack on that website. Blind boolean attack. But if a website neither showing projection nor error messages, you can perform union blind time based SQL injection. Till now, am I clear or any doubt on it, guys? Any doubt on it, or it's clear? Hello?
Yeah, it's clear. You can
Okay.
continue.
So let's go ahead and and moreover, there is this SQL injection method that we talk about, which is get method and post method, right? But there are few more actually. There is something called blind blind SQL injection that we often perform on login pages, right? Which is kinda different, right? Uh, so there is something called blind SQL injection that we often perform on login pages to bypass. These are these are the methods to extract the data. These are the methods, get method, post method, or anything. These are the methods to extract the data from the database. Blind SQL injection is to bypass the login pages. You got a difference? Okay. Bypass the login pages. These are the very simple display. Okay, first let's go ahead, and there are like we all know about this website, right? Test PHP automatool. I am gonna show you on real time website as well, but for before that, let's go ahead and perform. So we can see on this website there also test PHP. We can sign up over here. We know that the default login credential is test and test, right? What if there is any other way that we can perform and get into this? It could be. I mean, first, guys, do you understand why did I put this one single or and like why did I put this? Any idea about it? Single quote, huh? One single quote or single quote one single quote equal to one single quote one. Why did I put it? Any idea about it? Hello? Guys, am I audible to you?
Yeah, no idea. Could you
No
explain us?
idea. Can you please explain?
Okay. So I mean, see, there is something called W3 scores. First, let me just go ahead, and you guys know that SQL this is the best website to learn SQL or any other programming language, right? If you learn about SQL, okay, you know, it is something dump database or demo database that they are using, right? They have using like this to get the data. I mean, if you look at these parameters or the code that they are looking, what they have built it, select star from the customer is a table. When we perform SQL injection, what we are trying to get, we are trying to get extract the data, right? We are trying to bypass that. By where to bypass? On table, on the like your forms or login pages, right? So there should be a developer written code, right? Developer written code. It could be single quote, it could be double quote, it could be double quote comma, double quote bracket. I mean, it could be. So over here we perform hit and trial method. What if I perform the, if I do this, will it affect? 1 second, let me. No, it doesn't make any sense actually. It is not letting me in, right? I mean, over here, there is something called a developer written code, right? A developer. I mean, why I did not put single quote before one, and why I did not put the single quote after one? There's a reason, right? Or if a developer has written a code, he must have closed it. Can you see? Can you see? He started from a single quote and ended on single quote, right? So a developer would have closed that no, close that parameters, close that code itself. So we should keep it as it is, when we should not. I mean, we should never like. But we can try. Sometimes a developer starts simply, and so we can hit and trial method, right? We can just put all the possible ways to bypass the login pages. I'm now talking about blind boolean, blind SQL injection. So what I'm gonna do, the same parameter, the same string, we are going to put in user and we are going to put in login password. And will I be able to log in? Yes, I'm able to get into this. I'm able to bypass the login pages. And guys, any question over here? Why did I get this name Alice? Why I did not get any other name? I mean, why this name only? Why I did not get other user? Why this user only?
Because we checked the condition like the username and password should be the same condition.
But I did not put Alice. I put only one. So why Alice is coming?
No, but 1 = 1. It means that we are checking for the admin and the name, like is username and password are same or not. Like we are checking the condition, the payload which we are using.
No, this is if I am putting one, right, it is by default will go for, whenever we try to bypass the login pages, it will by default go for, especially when we go for one, it will by default go for the first user account which got created. So over here Alice is the first user account. So I am able to bypass the login pages of Alice. You got it? Same way, if will that make sense if I go for this? Yeah, there's a bug on this website as well. I'm able to bypass the automation login pages, admin panel. Okay, it is kinda simple. Will I be able to go for any other new website and just try to okay, first what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do login pages. Oh my god, I mean we can see that we are having billions of website login pages, unnecessary pages. Guys, could you suggest me how I'm gonna get only login pages? Could you
You can
suggest me?
search for
Hmm?
like Google Docs.
Tell
We
me the
can use
docs.
that in URL. Uh,
Yeah, you are
Semicolon
pretty right over
login.
here. We can go for this. We will use Google Docs, right?
Hmm.
Okay. And I mean, as we could not perform task on in, so we can perform the task on Pakistani website or any other website out there, and see if we can get something. Okay, 1 second. In URL. Again. ASP, why I'm using ASP? ASP is the extension for login pages, right? That we use.
Correct.
And site, I can say Pakistan. I can just put it PKB for Pakistan, right?
Hmm.
So we can get only Pakistan website right now. Okay, why it is coming only 4 website? It should come more in URL. Okay, there is a mistake. That's the reason I was I don't know if my network is slow or what. Whatsoever, let it be. This is the
Click on
website.
all.
Hmm?
Click on all.
Pardon?
All. Click on all.
Click on all.
Nearby image. Yeah, it's showing only news pages. First one, all.
Where?
Nearby images. See,
Like in the
first
results
one.
tab only, we have
First
correct.
one, all. Click on all.
Okay, I got it. This is what I had to get. So there are some sort of website that we are getting from here. Is there any website that we can perform SqLi? I mean, I have already performed, right? So I know which website has bug and which not, right? So these are some real-time website working over there in Pakistan, right? Let it. If my network is slow or what? Oh. Okay. I mean, there is a few of the website that we have got. It is National Institute of Historical and Cultural Research, official website of Pakistan. I mean, right. Build the payload. I mean, there could be several payloads actually, right? We can try, right? So at this point of time, let me just try the normal day-to-day payload that I use. We have only 10 minutes. Will this payload work over here? No. I mean, we can keep on trying putting payloads over here, and we'll try to see if we are able to bypass. So it is an admin channel, right? Admin user account that we are trying to perform, right? So if I just go ahead and try to bypass this website using normal SQL code, will I be able to get the admin access or admin account? There's a problem. Okay, so yeah, we are able to bypass the login pages over here. So this is something you can always try. uh, there are also some website which I would like to show you, like this is the fund website. And why even I am able to perform, or why even I am able to put that no put that code over there. It should not allow me to put that, because when we use single quote, right, that's a special character, right? And if the validation rule is there, there should not allowed me to put that special character. There should be a bug. I mean, they should say that a special character is not allowed, right? So whenever on our login pages, That's a very basic tip. Whenever you're trying to login pages, and if on that login pages a special character has been allowed, right, or you can put the a special character over there, you can perform blind boolean over there, right, and try to bypass the login pages. Now let us go ahead and try to perform some real-time task. Try to We were talking about this is the test PHP website that we all are aware of, right? Can we perform SQL injection on this attack? How to verify? First we have to find if the projection point is there or not, if the error or there is not, right? So let's do that. Oh, we got the projection, right? Parameters, we got the parameters on it. So I told you, right, if the website is projecting, we can perform union on that, right? 2. Oh yeah, it is projecting. You got it? It is projecting. So we can perform which attack? Union attack. Uh, oh no, this is showing the error, right? What attack we can perform? We can perform error attack on this website, right? Okay, as we know that this website has a bug, right? So how I'm gonna do so? What I'm gonna do so over here? Let's try to find out how many columns are there and how to do so. We can use order by clause 50.
Sorry for interrupting.
Mhm.
Uh, like projecting point is nothing but the endpoint which we are trying to change. Correct?
Yes, yes. And
Okay,
if a
got it.
website is projecting a data, like the website was on one parameter, right? And we change the
Hmm.
endpoint, we change the parameter, and it was
Parameter.
projecting. That means we
Hmm.
can perform union attack on that. Now we are
Okay,
performing
it belongs
union.
also.
Huh?
Okay, okay. We can also known as this IDAR attack for this project endpoint changing.
Idle attack is a broken access control. That's a completely
Hmm.
different bug.
Okay,
Uh,
okay,
there, is, there is some similarity, but that could be completely different. We will get to know the database. We will get to know the table. We can dump the table. We
table.
can extract the
Uh,
table. But in IDOR, it's a change of data, right? So it is
okay,
completely different actually from IDOR and SQL
okay.
injection.
Just we are changing the endpoint. We cannot get the data in projecting point.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
I
Thank
mean,
you.
it was just a first method to know
Hmm.
on any
Hmm.
website if
Okay,
there is if the website is projecting or not. If the projection is there, if the projection is there, we can perform union attack on that website. This is the very simple methodology which I told you. I mean, if projection is there, we can perform union on that, right? If error is there, like if we are changing in parameters, right, but it is not projecting, right, so we will check putting like random parameters like dot hatch anything, and if the error is showing, we can perform error attack on that. Clear?
clear, clear.
Okay, so I just put like that. Okay, 1 second. Why it is going to blank?
What's the meaning of this order by 50 minus minus plus?
I'm gonna tell you. When first let's do one thing. uh, First, this is something vast. Before going ahead, अरे यार, what the hell it is? Okay, this is something we can perform. hacker bar quantum is something which you can use to load. I mean, every time you are changing over here, it get changed, right? So using this, it will help you to save your time actually, right? So first, as we know that this website is projecting, right? We got to know, right? So we will try to first balance the equation, and how I'm gonna do so. uh, if I am using double quote, will it balance it? Oh, it's error actually. One second. See, when we use single quote or double quote, okay, we try to balance the left side of the equation, right? When we use this no dash, when we use like dash dash, we try to balance the right side of the parameter. I mean hyphen, when we use hyphen hyphen, we try to balance the right side of the equation. First we need to know how many parameters are there and how many columns are there, and to do so first we need to know which parameters, which equation is right. Only then we would be able to get to know how many columns are there in this website. Am I clear over here?
Yes, clear.
Okay, so first that I be when I use double quote, it is showing us a error. That means that parameter, that equation is not right. When I try to perform this, even this is not, even single quote is not right over here, guys. Even single, when I was trying to log in, performing blind boolean attack. Okay, okay, so we tried several way. Let me put over here double quote. Okay, we tried putting double quote as well, and we found a error, right? It was not reflecting the columns, right? So what I told you, we will try hit and trial. Union method is all about hit and trial, like we have to balance the equation. So what I did, I thought, why to put the parameters, I mean why to put single quote. Let's remove single quote, double quote, and will this work? Oh yes, this is working actually, guys. you know First what we did, we see the parameters, we see if if the website is projecting or not. It was projecting, right? As it was projecting, we tried to balance the equation, right? To know what parameters, what exactly the developer written code is, right? So developer is not using any single quote or double quote. You got it? Okay, so let me do one thing. As we know, developer is not using any parameters. Will I be able to order by clause? You ask me that why you are using order by clause, Anuj. So we were trying to balance the equation, and now we will try to know how many columns are there. Suppose if I put 1000, do you think a website will have 1 lakh of columns? No, right?
No.
Right, it is obvious. So we will keep on putting we got the error, right? That means why we got the error? If we would have used any other parameter, because we already balanced the equation. That's the reason we got the error. Error is good. Error is always good. When we have error, when we have nothing, that's bad. Even 100 columns is not there. 100 columns are not there. Why it is too slow, man? Okay. So 50. Is there 50? Okay, not even 50 parameters on this website. I mean 50 columns is not there, are not there. Okay, so let me try to put 20 columns to see if 20 columns are there or not. No, not even 20 columns. Oh, okay. So let me put 10 columns. Guys, did you find any difference over here? Did you find any difference when we were using, when we were putting like 20 columns, we were getting error. When I put 10, I got the output. What are the difference over here? Did you understand anything over here why it happens? Hello?
Meaning till the column 10 is available more than if when we are trying more 20, 50 like that, it's not available the columns.
Yeah, it's mean the column could be more than 10 and less than 20, right?
Yes.
That's what it's mean. So will I put 15? Will it show anything? Again error. That means now there's a possibility the column is between 10 to 15, right? As there's an error on 15. Let me put 12. Run. Oh, again there's error actually. So let me try to put 11 once. 11. Okay, guys, when I put 12, right, 12 columns, I was getting error. When I put 11 over here, I got the output, I got the parameter, I got the reflection, right? That means in this website test PHP there are 11 columns, right? 11 columns. We got to know that in this website there are 11 columns. Okay, as we got to know that there are 11 columns, what I'm gonna do now, I will try to know what are the columns reflecting over here, right? That's our work actually. See, till now our work is not done. This is not a bug. Again I'm telling you, if you are up to this is not a bug. Okay, so now let me do one thing. Let me balance the left side of equation. What attack we are performing? We are performing union based injection attack, right? And see, you need nothing, you need only 5 things. Let me tell you, SQL में 5 चीजें होती है. Select, where, from, I mean like these are the some order by, right? So like these are the some very basic things that you should know. What are the these common words and why we use these common words, and it will take you like less than 1 day to have understanding of SQL, because you need to have the understanding of SQL in order to perform SQL, right? It's just a very basic. So I am gonna do perform over here union select. Okay, union select. Union select, why I use union select? Because I am performing union based injection on it. As we know that there are 11 columns, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all the columns name. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, we put it all the columns name. Why the hell I got this? Okay, there was a dot, you can find it. There was a not a comma but a dot. See, every tiny mistake can lead you a big, guys, can you see anything on my screen right now? What you can understand by looking at this? Hello? Am I audible?
Yeah, there's 11 columns, 7 to 9.
There are 4 columns that are reflecting over here: 11, 7, 2 and 9. Right? We got to know that there are 4 columns. What are the columns is reflecting over here? Okay,
11, 7 to
11,
9.
7, 2 and 9. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change it. Database. I'm gonna change it to the name. Okay, 7 I changed to version. What else I can write over here? Database, table, version. What else I can write over here? Any idea? Anything? Okay, guys, at least respond. Let me try if what I get from over here by putting this. There is a error I have got, and why this error I have got? Okay. So can you find version name, username, accurate and databases? I have got it. Hello?
Yeah.
You get it? Like Monica, are you there?
This is Ubuntu. This is operating OS.
Yes, so we also
OS.
got to see the version name, right? Name, version
Yeah,
name, name
OS.
of the database, and so we can, this is the bug. We should not go beyond this. See, I showed you this on a demo website. Let me just go ahead and perform this on a real-time website. Would I be able to? This is again a Pakistani website. Okay, so first I have already one parameter product. I got basmati. I can see now that I am getting one, right? I have got the parameters. The basic work is to find. Now this is on a real-time website, a working website, and how you can perform tasks in real day-to-day life. Let me show you. I got the parameters. Okay, will it change? Yes, it does get changed, guys. It is reflecting, right? You get it? Hello.
Yeah, it's reflected.
So now as we got to know that the parameters is reflecting, I mean reflection is there, right? uh, so what I'm gonna do the next step to balance the equation, and how I'm gonna do so. I'm gonna write plus 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 run. It has nothing, right? Nothing. There's no difference. It is not reflecting. It is not getting balanced, right? And find no difference in it. Let me go ahead with this.
It's not giving any error.
It is not giving any error. It should have shown a error actually. Actually, equation is not balanced. What mistakes I am making? If I'm putting double quote, single quote, I'm getting this parameters. If I'm putting no no balancing equation, I'm putting, it is getting changed, right? If you look at this, is it getting changed or not? I need to check it again. Is it the same page or different? Same one. Let me try putting this. If I am putting, be fast, man. It is not showing error. That means it's not a right balancing. Let me go for this. Yes, we got it, right? This is the balance. Single dot, I mean single quote is the right balancing equation for this. So on test PHP, we were balancing without single quote, right? Over here, single quote work. You got the difference? This is what I was talking about, that we have to put hit and trial methods, okay, in order to get to know how to balance the equation. Now I got to know my now see, error is the error our good thing. Even I was like confused why it is not working. Sometimes I do not perform regularly, so of course 1000 columns could not be there. Let me go ahead and 50 is there. Oh, I got error, right? Let me go ahead and put 20. It is reflecting. That means it is, there is something between 20 and 50, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me perform by 25. See, there are three more major attacks. That is 25 columns are not there. That I will be covering in one day. SQL injection is not possible. But till now, whatever I have covered, it is into in union. You not need to know anything about union. This is everything in terms of one attack, union attack. You can talk about it to anyone, and if you explain them in a such a way which I have explained, they will get to know that you have understanding of it. Even 22 columns are not there. Let me go for 21. Even 21 columns are there on this website, right? You got it? 21 website are there on this website. We got to know, we first balance the equation, we first got to know the parameters, we see the reflection, we balance the equation, we got to know how many columns are there. As we got to know how many columns are there, we now gonna perform union attack, right? And how we gonna do so? We know the commands for it. First we will balance the left side of equation. Always remember to balance is it's to balance the left side of the equation, right? Always, 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 always. I mean, it just we use negative parameters over here to balance the cat parameters. Okay, we have to use actually. Okay, now we got to know we will be using union select union select 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 comma oh comma 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 14 comma 15 comma 16 comma 17 comma 18 comma 19 19 comma 20 comma 21. Okay, you get it, right? Run it. Arey yaar, why the hell it is happening? Any mistake you can see in this? 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. It should not show any error actually. Why it is showing an error? Hmm. Mm-hmm. Why it is showing an error? Any mistakes? Union. Pardon? One second. Why the hell it is happening here? Exit to this server denied. One, two, three. I need to check one more time here. Order by 21. No products found. Oh, it's a single code, right? Okay, this is the right equation for this equation. 21 is not there. 21, if I go for 21, 21 is there. Okay, 21, so it should run by this as well, no? Why it is not running? Union select. Okay, one, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, I think firewall is stopping over here, right? Union SQL injection fire ball bypass pay load GitHub. Okay. See, guys, you are getting me. You are getting what is happening over here. Hello. I will try to bypass the page now by using. अरे यार, why it is too slow? Oh, holy shit. Twelve, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, let me use this boolean to bypass it. Even this is showing this is not working. Guys, hello. Monica, are you there?
Yeah, listen.
So can you find it? What happened right now?
Here,
Yeah, what is happening? Why we were not able to get the why it is not projecting the name of the columns which were like,
columns, right?
yeah, why it is not projecting?
Here it is projecting what?
Because there is a BAF bypass
Hmm.
firewall is there, right?
By
Yeah, BAF is over here, right? So we have to
hmm.
bypass
That,
it, right? I mean, when we
hmm.
simply put 1 second, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21.
Hmm.
uh, check manual. You have an error in your SQL text, check your manual corresponding person. Okay. uh, we have, I mean, there are numbers of code, numbers of SQL,
Payload.
payloads are there that we can use to
Yes.
bypass no BAF, right? That's what I'm doing right now, because
No.
on this website there is
We have to check which one is working.
yes, so there is absolutely a like
Mm.
a, you know BAF is there, right? And now we, as we got
Mm.
to know that there's a BAF, so that's the reason I'm using this to bypass the BAF actually. And if we are able to bypass the BAF, we can get to know what are the uh, mm, again there is it is not letting us access this. You can find it forbidden, right? We
Mm.
are on the right resource. Okay, see, we have to, we
Okay.
are not only this, there could be several union method, right? Several union
Mm.
method that we can try. Okay, so you got to know that how to perform union, right, till now. Okay,
Correct. Till now I
so
get it.
you got to
I
know what,
understood.
how you can perform. So you can use
Uh,
this
when to
payloads.
perform and how to perform this union.
You
Union.
can, yeah, you can just you can use all those payloads to see
Mm.
which payload is working over here and which
Working.
is not. And once
Correct.
you got to know that this payload, letting you get to know the name of the,
Name columns. Access.
yeah, order by rank online subtype. Actually, even I am confused. I did not access this website, but I knew it that this website can be accessed, right? And therefore I am trying to access this website. Okay, uh, I think I made a mistake. I should have used this. I mean, we are almost close. Once we get to know that this payload is good for this, right? So we can bypass. Holy shit. It is very patience work. You need to do a lot of hit and trial method in order to no union. Again, there's a bug. Should we use this one comma or not? So I mean, I mean, we are okay till now. Okay, I mean, for this bug, you should have no doubt. Actually, this is how it's work. Okay, I mean, you have to put the hit and trial method to see how it is working, and if it is letting you access the website, and if you are able to. So it's just a lot of, you can try getting URLs from everywhere, and if anything works over here, bear id बराबर, if any, if you can bypass the BAF, because now we know, we all know that by bypassing